I have to return to some films. Let me
Yes.
just list a few of my
Okay.
favorites. So first of all, you said you love great war books
Yes.
and movies.
Yes.
So we have to throw in Platoon from Oliver Stone and Apocalypse Now, for me at least.
Of course.
There's more crime, fast-moving crime movies like Scarface. I also love True Romance.
Love True Romance. Possibly the best, one of the best scripts ever written.
Written, of course, by Quentin Tarantino. What do you love about True Romance? I think sometimes, depending on the day, depending on the bar and how much alcohol I had, I will say True Romance is the best movie ever made.
Yeah, I mean, True Romance is super fun. Tony Scott was a really good director, so it moves at a really good speed. It's funny, it's completely unbelievable, but you really care about the characters. It's a kind of, this world that obviously doesn't exist, but you feel it does exist. The characters are larger than life. The dialogue is unbelievably, you could just sit and watch them talk all day long. And, you just, it's amusing. You just want to live in that world. I was thinking, what do you like about films? It's the idea to be in a world. You want to, they're not real. They're never real, but you want to be in these fake worlds that people have invented.
And I think you said that what makes a great world is having a large cast of characters. And I think that movie is a good example. I mean, you have Christopher Walken with the sort of legendary super racist discussion. Rant.
Dennis Hopper is just sort of dream dad.
Dream dad. And just that interaction is legendary. You got even Brad Pitt as a pothead on a couch.
Gary Oldman.
Gary Oldman. Yeah, and you have, a real love story. Like a real, genuine, pure love can survive in any context.
And it's just sweet. Their love story is very sweet in that film. Yeah. It's endearing.
The Elvis as a character. It's kind of like a mini GTA type game. Some of the same beauty, the comedy, the love.
Crossed with Play It Again, Sam. So it feels a bit like that with the Elvis character.